Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are, whatever time you're watching this video. What's going on? It's your boy Aguso again, back at it with another cracking video. And believe it or not, today, or yesterday, we picked up a little mod that we put on Project Ronnie with two N's and an IE at the end because it's more feminine. You get what I'm saying? But as far as right now, today we're gonna go do another barbecue with the family this time. I'm currently driving right now, there's a cop right there. But yeah, so with all that being said, we'll catch you guys in Sacramento because I had to go swoop your girl Irene, and we'll show you guys the part that we got. Catch you later. Okay guys, so here's another video that, you know, Finessy Lifestyle is just infamous of, just detours on the videos and not going straight to the install or straight to the point videos. Long story short, Irene had to go get her eyelashes done. So I'm over here killing 2 hours of my day at the gym because everybody has to get gains and summer is right around the corner. So with that being said, I'll go ahead and do my workout. Probably spend an hour and a half, grab something to eat, get some gas for Ronnie, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'll go pick up the camera probably after I get at the gym or when I pick up Irene from her appointment. So with all that being said, guys, hang in tight. I'll show you guys the car now, but she is filthy. Anyway, I'm just jibber jabbering, shimming that a lot again. So I'll catch you guys when I pick up the camera. Whoa, let's turn that music down before copyright. But anyway, guys, I just finished a pretty decent, I say, upper body workout today. I mixed in a little bit of squats, none that was weighted though, just to get a little leg pump and whatnot. I did start a little bit of dancing at the end. There's a room over here that has mirrors and stuff like that, and I started to dance because I kind of wanted to use it as cardio, but it didn't go as well because I'm super, I guess, rusty, if you want to say. For you guys don't know, I used to dance when I was in high school or when I was very young. But anyway, super irrelevant. Check this out, guys. There's a Ferrari right there. JP Hype. For you guys that know him, tag him in this and shout out him for having a dope ass car. So far, well, I'm basically super pooped right now. I gotta go grab something to eat, just something light and whatnot. But anyway, I got myself, it's not anything major or anything like that. It's literally just the rain guards that you put right here. I personally think that is very practical because when I drive a lot, I like to crack my windows, and I don't really want to hear all that wind noise and whatnot. So yeah, I picked up the OEM one, not the OLM one. I actually picked this up personally at the Subie dealership out here in Elk Grove, and it was $119 before taxes, and it was $129 something after taxes. So with all that being said, on the next clip I'll probably show you Irene's new eyelash, for you guys that want to know, and the install video along with the barbecue. So this video is another chill video, like always. All the videos are chill, but I'm gonna start yapping over here. I'm gonna go grab gas for Ronnie because currently she is almost empty. But yeah, if you guys made it this far in the video, comment down below what you think about rain guards. You know, if you think it's practical, if you think it's just an accessory that you don't really need. You know, I want to know your opinion in the comment section below. And if you don't follow us, by the way, on Finessy Lifestyle's Instagram, I did a poll yesterday to see what you guys thought. And some of you guys had splitter, and some of you guys also said it was a boat. But, you know, we're not going to get to that yet. So if you don't follow us on Instagram, follow us right here. And yeah, catch you guys on the next clip. Alrighty guys, so I basically told you guys I was going to get gas, and here I am. Like always, 40 bucks. It's not even a full tank, I bet you. But I'm going to show you guys what I actually got to prove. I'm not even going to trip about this. Don't mind the whole mess of the trunk. I haven't been able to clean it up yet, but inside this box is going to be the rain guards, like I said in the previous clip. I'm going to install this as soon as we get to a place, probably Elisa's house or something like that. It's going to be quick and easy, so not too much of a hassle. But I'm going to catch you guys when I finish. All right, ladies and gentlemen, like I promised you guys. Look at her new lashes.
Now look at my eyebrows.
Not the eyebrows, but just the lashes. Look at that. Wow, wow. So perfect, so perfect.
Thank you, thank you.
But finally, I was super hungry, so I got these. Well, she got them, but you know, they're delicious. But it's super windy outside, but we had to stop by Target to get some necessities for the barbecue today. And my mom's calling me. So I'll have to go call her back in a little bit. But chips, lighter fluid, salsa that says hot, probably is not really hot, and then boom. But yeah, open the door for Irene.
Thanks, boss.
In you go. Yes, yes. Peace out. Well, yeah, guys, so we're gonna go head over to Elisa's house now, and then yeah, we'll catch you there. Boom, and just like that, guys, we are here at Lisa's house, and oh my goodness, it is hot as hell. We're gonna go bring this stuff in because I guess we're the light of the party, and Elisa's coming out. So, who the hell is that? Why are you wearing jeans? Oh, cold later?
It's cold right now,
No, not really.
no? Pretty hot in the...
But yeah, anyway, guys, I'm gonna go get so freaking burnt again. So we are gonna go catch you guys later. I'm still bright.
Are my lips red?
No.
Okay, good. I'm ready for
Look at Betty.
Bro, this thing zooms in way too far. Boom shakalaka, and just like that, just like that. We're here. Here are the rain guards that I'm going to be installing in a little bit. I have my lovely assistant holding the camera, Irene, and the camera is well over her head to have it eye level to me. And I have the model right here. And yeah, so what we're gonna need for this is napkins, some alcohol, to get some drunk. No, I'm just kidding. But to clean off the trims, as you guys can see right here, you're gonna have to clean this off right here, just so that the adhesive on the 3M tape backing of the rain guards will kind of, I guess, stick a lot more better. So we're gonna try to eliminate as much as of the dust as much as possible. So I'm gonna go ahead and start doing that right now. Just cleaning the surfaces, just like that. I'm gonna start off with this door first, and then the next door. Cool. So in this kit, you could buy it. Like I said, I bought this off of Subie in Oak Grove. Comes with clips. I'll show you where to put these in a little bit. We got a pair here and a pair here. This is for the rears, and these are for the fronts. I believe so. Don't quote me on that yet, but I'll figure this out in a little bit. But let's go ahead and start unwrapping these things, and let's get it started. And here's one clip. Actually, I'm just gonna go ahead and take out all the clips really quick. You literally, based off the videos that I've been seeing, and I'm doing the same thing, so they just pop it in just like so. Alrighty, guys, I'm just gonna go a little bit quick on this because our pizza's ready. So what we're gonna do here is gonna try to grab the, I don't even know what I'm grabbing, to be honest. They said to pull on something rubbery, so I'm gonna do so. Oh my Lord Jesus Christ. Oh, so I'm breaking my car now. Okay, very nice, very nice. Be careful on this right here. You don't have to necessarily take it all the way down, just to the sides, to the sides like that. Oh my Lord, this is really tough. I swear if I break my car, so that right there. Boop. My lovely assistant Lisa Charles over here is gonna, yeah, wait.
No.
Yes, that one.
Is it?
That one right there. She's gonna bring me my lovely blade. So we're just gonna try to mount it. Lord have mercy. But with the clips right here and right here, we're just gonna have it clip on the inside. Okay, let's not start there. Let's probably right here. Okay, we'll be back in just a moment. Who got nails?
Brianna, that's not fair. You pick, you.
just like that. Gotta try to make sure that it actually closes. Shazam, Shaniqua, Alakazoo. There you go. It's done.
Wait. Who's waiting? Do they have a time? Do they have a reservation? Or are they just going?
I think they're just going.
Chris called me like 2. He called me at 2:53. He said it's 4 or 5 hour wait.
And as you guys can see here, I am pulling and pushing at the same time with the microfiber towel to basically press the 3M on the back of this rain guard onto the trim. And yeah, so just go nice and slow, don't rush it.
Coming where?
Just like that. All right, so here's a finished product. I completely messed up on this one, so you guys be careful. Fitment here and the other side, I'm very meticulous on when it comes to perfection and whatnot, so I messed up here. Do not do what I did wrong, but as far as right now, here lines up pretty well. This door opens, the other door opens, and no issue. So what I had to end up doing was this shifted way too close to that one, so I couldn't even open the door because this got stuck. So I had to take this whole entire piece off, so I'm probably gonna have to try to get new 3M later on in the future. But other than that, that's this side. And on the other side, it even got better because there's Irene right there. But on this side, you see the fitment's not that far off as the other side. There's always gonna, both sides have a gap right here, which I didn't really want, but oh well, right? Adhesive on this one, great. Fitment on this one, laid on perfectly fine. Although this one right here, this one clip right here, you can't really see it, but there's a clip in here that I twisted too hard to the point where it kind of broke off, so it's literally just right there. So what I had end up doing was locking it in place with the window. And yeah, just be careful because these are very, very, I guess, not cheap plastic, but it breaks easily. So probably later on in the future when I change the 3M on the other one or the other side, I'm gonna try to put some glue right there. So we're gonna go head out and finally get our pizza, and yeah, we'll catch you guys later. We'll catch you guys when we come back. Alrighty guys, so there you guys have it, the install video. Just remember to be careful with the tabs and be careful to not take out the whole entire backing of the 3M tape, or else you're gonna have to take out the whole entire thing like what I did. Do not rush it. I was kind of rushing it because we're trying to get the pizza, but we did have the pizza. Irene showed them the pizza. Bam. So it's secured. Now we're just gonna have to cross our fingers and hope that these don't fly off when we're driving on the freeway. But yeah, so with all that being said, I hope you guys enjoy the install. If you guys have any questions regarding the install, please do feel free to comment down below. And like always, man, stay positive. Wait.
And be awesome.